In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add small PDF to Chrome. If you work with PDFs, adding the small PDF extension to your browser can save you a ton of time. It puts the most common PDF tools right where you need them, so you can compress, convert, merge, split, edit, and even sign documents without leaving Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer, then head to the official small PDF extension page on the Chrome Web Store. Make sure you're on the genuine Chrome Web Store listing from Small PDF so you know you're installing the trusted version. Once you're there, click the button that says Add to Chrome. A confirmation box will pop up to let you know what's being added. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download the extension and set it up automatically, and you'll see a quick notification when it's done. After installation, you should notice the small PDF icon appear in the top right corner of your browser alongside your other extensions. To keep the icon handy, it's a good idea to pin it to your toolbar. Click the little puzzle piece icon in the top right of Chrome to open your extensions menu. Scroll through the list to find Small PDF. Then click the pin icon next to it. When the pin is highlighted, the small PDF logo will stay visible on your toolbar, so it's always just one click away. With the extension ready, you can jump into everyday tasks right inside Chrome. Need to shrink a file before emailing it? Use Compress PDF to reduce the file size while keeping it readable. Converting files is just as simple. Turn a PDF into an editable Word document, convert tables into Excel, or transform slides into PowerPoint, all from your browser. If you're organizing materials, you can merge multiple PDFs into one clean file or split a large document into smaller sections when you only need a few pages. And when you have to make a quick change or add your signature, the Edit and e-sign tools let you annotate, fill out forms, and sign securely without downloading extra software. If you don't see the icon right away, check the extensions menu again to make sure it's installed and pinned. That's all there is to it. You've added small PDF to Chrome, pinned it for easy access, and you're ready to compress, convert, merge, split, edit, and sign PDFs directly in your browser.